Explanation. Yes, children? The universe. The universe is defined as the totality of everything that exists, including the sun, moon, planets, stars, and galaxies. The sun, moon, planets, and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Galaxy. A group of many stars is called a galaxy. There are many galaxies or there are many galaxies in the universe. The Milky Way galaxy or the Akashaganga is the home of our planet Earth and the solar system. It contains approximately 200 billion stars. Constellations. In the sky, sometimes a group of bright stars are visible in a particular pattern. They are called constellations. Some known constellations are Leo and Ursa Major. There are 88 constellations known to us so far. I'm sharing the screen. The universe. The universe means everything that exists. It consists of a whole space in which we live, that is the earth together with all the planets and the stars. So universe means everything that is existing. It consists of, yes, different galaxies. Yes, in the galaxies again planets, stars, sun, everything. So the origin of universe is explained by the Big Bang theory. According to this theory, a big explosion took place and a big bang of huge fireball created. This is known as Big Bang. So gradually after this explosion, the fireball cooled and formed into tiny particles. Yes, and they grew into a big galaxy. There are more than thousands of galaxies in the universe like this. There are more than thousands of galaxies in the universe, and the Big Bang has created everything, that is, the galaxies, the sun, the stars, the planets, everything. A galaxy is a huge cluster of thousands of orbits, yes, surrounding or revolving round, and they starts orbiting at the center. There are many galaxies in the universe. All the stars which we see from the earth belongs to the earth's galaxy, and this is called as Milky Way galaxy, and it is also called Akashaganga. The Milky Way galaxy consists of lot of stars. It is the home for our planets, the solar system. Yes, stars are big in size, and they are the hot and burning gases. It is a big balls of hot and burning gases. They give out heat and light. Our sun is also called a stars. So the stars are the twinkling. Yes, they are the twinkling objects at the night. We can see them. Yes, because of the atmosphere of the earth, the stars are not visible during the daytime because of the bright light of the sun, and they appear very small because they are very far from the earth. This is about the stars. And coming to the next one, that is the constellations. In the sky, stars are grouped in a particular pattern. These group of stars are called constellations, and there are nearly So many constellations present. The constellations form various patterns in the sky. They are named after the creatures and persons of from myths. Some of the well-known constellations are Leo, Ursa Major, also called Great Bear, and Orion. The Great Bear is also known as the Saptarishi in India. In India, it is known as Saptarishi. So this is about the different types of constellations.